friends, welcome to Cooking with Kyra. I'm Kyra and this is my daughter Ellie.
Hi.
Today we'll be making Carrot Patch cookies, but first we'll read a story. Our story today is called That's My Carrot. I love carrots. I am an expert at growing them, but something strange is going on in my garden.
I love carrots. I'm the best at growing them. But something isn't right in my backyard.
Whoa, that's a big carrot. A few days later, wow, look what I grew.
Wow, look what I grew.
That's my carrot. It's on my side.
That's my carrot. It's on my side.
I'll dig it up. This is my carrot.
This is my carrot.
Oh no, they're fighting. I'll get it. Whoa. Brought in the big guns. The backhoe.
No, I can dig it up. Oh, that was a lot bigger.
I've got it.
I've got it.
That's my carrot. Where's the carrot? I don't have it.
I don't have it either.
Oh no. I broke it. Where did it go? Our carrot is gone. I'm going down there.
I'm going down there too.
Let's go down together. Look at them. They're going down into the dirt. It's shaped like a carrot. You'll see. Look at these tunnels under our fence. Where did they come from?
Hello? There's one of my carrots. I think that's mine. Wrong way. I think we're lost.
Are we there yet?
Does someone live down here?
How long have we been walking?
I smell something yummy.
There's a light up ahead. Oh? Welcome! You're just in time for carrot soup. Who's down there making carrot soup? It's like a little gopher.
We love carrots.
Now we can be experts at sharing them. What should we grow next?
I'm an expert at growing turnips.
Me too. The end. All right, friends, now that we've read our story, we'll go over the ingredients that you should have received from the New Lenox Public Library. In your kit, you should have an Oreo in a baggie, some vanilla wafer cookies. Careful with those, they are fragile. A container with gummy carrots. Didn't have to throw them. And a container of white frosting. In addition to these ingredients, you'll also need a few things from home. You will need a baking sheet just to keep your prep area clean, a butter knife, and a spoon. All right, now that we're back and our carrots have landed safely, we will get started on our prep. So first we're going to take our Oreo cookie, we're going to keep it in the bag, and we're going to mash it up with our spoon. You want to get it into pretty good, like, little crumbles. It's going to be our dirt in our carrot patch. And then once you get it kind of, like, mushed up, you can just take it with your hands. Mush it the rest of the way. And you'll get something resembling this. It doesn't look appetizing, but it's delicious. After you've gotten your Oreos mashed up, we're going, oh, we put a hole in it, yep, that happens. We're going to put our spoon to the side. We'll take out our vanilla wafer cookies. And we're going to cut one of our wafer cookies in half. Does it have to be exact? No. Uh-oh. That's okay. Okay. Not a big deal. We have frosting. We can put it back together. Okay? Alright, next we will take our cups of frosting. And you want to take a little bit of frosting. And we're going to put it on the side of one of our uncut wafer cookies. Whoop. We're using the frosting as glue so that we can stick our wafer cookies together. So, and it doesn't matter how high you go, you could go all the way to the top if you want. And then we're going to take one of our other wafer cookies and we're just going to stick it right onto our frosting. And then we'll put it down. And then we'll take our third long piece and we'll do the same on that piece so that we can put the other side onto our patch or onto our planter. Just a little bit. And stick it on the other side. So we're making a box. And then we're going to take our half pieces and we're going to do the same to them. Put a little bit on the bottom along that long edge. And then stick it right to the side. We need a little bit more. And our second short piece, our half piece, we will put the frosting on like that. And then we will stick it to the end of our box. You want me to put the frosting on in that one so it sticks together?
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is cool. I like it. I like building stuff.
Yeah, it is good. Make cute things with food. All right, now you do the side of that.
And cooking with Kyra, we do play with our food.
Yeah. Then we're gonna take our crushed up Oreo. Actually, first let's put a little bit of frosting, maybe on, if we can, like in the bottom of our planter. You don't have to spread it out, just get like some globs in there so that your Oreo will stick to something when I put it in. You don't have to really get it spread out though.
Yeah, there's a bunch.
And then we'll just dump our Oreo pieces into the planter box for some dirt. This is why you want your tray, because it can get messy. And there's my dirt and my planter. And then I'm going to add my carrots, my gummy carrots in. So 1, Whoop, it doesn't want to stand up because it's too tall. That's okay. And 2. And 3.
Right, I'm just gonna place it.
Just gonna place it in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you didn't quite get it crumbly enough, but that's okay. Alright, gonna put those carrots in.
Mm-hmm.
And when you're all done putting your carrots in, you should have something that looks like this. The carrots, they just want to fly today. I didn't know carrots had wings. Cute! And now we have our Carrot Patch cookies. We're ready to take a bite? Do you want a cheers or you forgot? Over. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. All right, friends. Thanks for watching Cooking with Kyra. We'll see you next time. Bye.